Hello beautiful people, welcome back again to my channel. Hope you are doing well. Yes, if you see my face for the very first time, yes, I better don't forget to hit that red subscribe button down there. Yes, and turn on your bell notification because it will help you. It will tell you when I upload video and if you can check them out. Yes, for today's video, we're going to talk about the bad comment when I get for the last video when I do about Regina Daniels' marriage. One point of view be say Regina too young for that kind of marriage. How you go one marry man when he be like say he go senior you with 40 years? That is, the man go use 40 years take senior you. In fact, most people say, even send me message, they call me liar, say the thing not happen, the marriage not take place, I be liar. Listen, listen, maybe confirm Nigerian babe. With the English where they fly come off my mouth self, you go no say I join the matter. You know say we Nigerians say, if we want lie, no be issue of, if we want lie with a liar, that is if I make up my mind to lie for you, you go to see woman head, yeah, I go tell you, say me use your bejero, I tell Lucan, na man head 9 days, yeah, you say you go believe my lie. That is if I wash the lie for you, you not go even know whether na truth or na lie. It be like say una know they like people where they honest with una, but it's all good. It's good because at the end of the day we be human beings. The one when you be like say I agree on, you feel no agree on that side. The one where you like, I feel no like him, you see. But this particular issue, my own point of view be say, if most celebrities marry like this, by now maybe they for know they enjoy their husband. And they talk of Olu Jacob and Joke Silva. If you see them now, they grow together, they old together, the thing they go toilet, the thing they sweet. Even Omotola, the one Omotola fine, rich, that time they hot. Omotola said be like this Regina that time, fine, where they hot, where. It means that she know they see men that time. But she stick with her husband. And today, they are two, they grow, come, it is sweet, they okay. Even Mercy Johnson will be like this Regina godmother. Mercy Johnson and her husband just dey like that, and the thing they okay. This now waiting, I honestly from the bottom of my heart wish this girl, this young fine girl self go enjoy them as well. But when she can't shoot say now this particular one and she want, and everybody say mind your business, yo. This one not be your business, yeah. This one now only few people for my comment box. That is now only few people now really talk waiting be truth, not be say support me. Only few people now talk waiting they okay. It not day nice. Many people just they come for me, Most people say the jealous Regina. Listen, now one particular girl, I just use her honest mind. They sit down, watch my video to the end. They come send me message, come ask me say if not me, make I talk truth. Whether I no go fit marry this man. Me say if I come answer and say no, my dear, me I no go fit because this man he too old. Now man wasting on me with 15 years. The man can't get money. Then I go feel manager, not be my wasting on me with 20 years, 30 years, 40 years. I know they think cancer because I know be that kind of woman when he be like say hey, I don't get the money, I don't do okay. No, hey, because if I don't marry the man now, I don't see the money. That is the sugar waiting inside the daddy. I don't see the sugar don't sweet me. If the daddy come, they come now in the night. Daddy now don't carry long thing, come they disturb me for night. Now my body go come they irritate me. All those kind of things. I'm not sure say I will feel endure all those kind of marriage like that because of the sweetness where they inside. So I just give the girl my honest truth. Say me, I no go feel do this kind thing. If the man senior me with 15 years, na different case. My husband with me at that day say senior me with 7 years. Not be say the man get money where for this Germany where we dey so we dey manage ourselves, but it dey okay for me because me I be hardworking person. I ready to work and make that rosy future when I need come through. And if I work, you know if it come through for this my lifetime, I go make sure say my children get them because my parents no make them possible for us. Because we dey take bonus na very very poor place. My parents they dey very very poor, but even though self we go outside, self we go see food for outside, they go say I call you to we don't belle full and we dey hungry the mama us. Now so we take grow. Any small one we get like this, we dey appreciate them because now that small one what we get, now be really our own. So we dey appreciate them because this now be my own. So me I no go fit do this kind of thing because say I want money. If the money don't come now and the rest things no come there, I go come there unhappy and they see the money they eat. The money go buy me clothes, the money go buy me makeup, the money go buy me handbag, jewelry, shoe, everything. In the night, I no go use all those things. They sleep now. I go use the jewelry and the gold and the everything to do pillow, to sleep. No, in the night I go come pull all those things now. So I go come keep and go come remain only me and maybe my night gown. No, I don't go use all those things that take sleep. All those things will be the sugar inside the daddy now. So I don't go use and take sleep. I go come pull everything. You go come remove only me and that daddy now because the sugar now. So don't go rest for the day. Go come be only me and that daddy. The thing go come they irritate me. I don't go feel do am. The thing self come vex me. Say where the girl go come do this kind of thing? Where mama can't even date themselves. I come they watch videos over all these days. I can't say even all our family.
It's a video, bro.
Baby, you know something, right? I really want to tell you something. Many people might actually talk a lot of shit about you. But you know what? Who's giving them reasons to talk more shit about you, okay? They go talk. Now they go tired.
No, they go talk. The talking go tired them.
They don't tire.
End of the day, I be that kind of friend when you be like say you go get. If you they talk to me, I can say your mouth they smell. What did they do your mouth? Your mouth they smell. Ah, my sister, check this thing, check this product. Take and brush your mouth away. Take and wash your mouth away. Your mouth go they smell nice. So if you they talk to person and they go they feel the breathe. You know go be like say they know you as that guy when you have mouth they smell. I go tell you, ho ha. If you know go take and fine, call me bad person if you want. But now that kind of friend now I go be to you because now that kind of friend I want. I make one video like that now I can upload and now one woman can drop message for me say you need to work on your English. Now I can drop message for the woman say thank you because now those kind of friend now I need. Tell me when they make mistake and me I go make sure say if I want to do them again I go correct them. No perfect finish. Everybody no perfect finish. Me when I come here when they talk to una like this so me I no perfect at all. I don't even need that perfect threshold. But me I see they do my own small. The way they come. Even that woman self will drop that message. People come they attack the woman say you make your own video. Me will see your own English. Madam English. They begin to attack the woman. But me when message I know say the message woman try to correct me. The woman no deserve any insult because now correct and she try to correct me. But me I make my own video. People come for me. My friend True Dreams with Lady T. She can't make her own. I can't go there. She said she can't pet the issue. Making sure say she not offend anybody. She say she not sure say the girl don't even marry the man. She sure say Regina self na virgin. She can't do the issue self can't dey smooth. When I can't go comment box say bump where the light there for the comment box. They wait make you reach that place, make you just blow, make you just kill my friend. Comment. Baba comment come there for there. My friend self can't drop message for me for WhatsApp. Say what is the even the word of these people? You when you talk say you know good marry Regina marry this kind of old man. People self they come for you. Me self when I say Regina, I say Regina don't marry. I know just say Regina self don't even this virgin. People self come for me. What all these people want me do? Me self I can't see explain to her and say now so it be. People self support me for that video. Now people will support me for that video. They won't see your own. They're going to disagree with you definitely. People no go always support you. But again, the way you go drop message for somebody, where the person go appreciate the message. Not be say you go talk to person the way you know want me person talk to you. You know they nice like that. And for people who say not my business, it not be my business. If you like me, she marry old papa, not be my. You see this Regina. Many of them make Regina be Regina. Many of us self now will talk because me self I joined the issue. Many of us we make Regina be Regina today. Yes, Regina don't get her name before she can start to the art film. But if you know they promote her film, you know they buy her film, you know they watch her film, you know that is if you know they promote her. Regina go be Regina Daniels, but just ordinary Regina. You know say Regina get sister where they art film like her. You know say Regina mama they art film. I don't believe say her sister no sabi art. I don't believe say her mama no sabi art. But I believe say everybody prefer Regina pass his sister and his mama. That's why Regina can't hot pass both mama, both sister. But now they make celebrities they go up because there are many celebrities in Nigeria and get very good talent, but they just there for one corner. Why? Because people know they patronize them. Most of them where they say this thing is not my business, this is not my business. Most of them go where they sell film like that. You go oh guy, give me that film, make I say Regina they inside. No, Regina don't they inside. Give me that one, give me the film. I need film where Regina Daniels they inside. Now so you go buy the film, this one go buy the film, this one go buy the film. Directors, people where they produce this film, people where they direct the film, people where get the movies go see say if they put Regina for this particular film, the film go sell more than the one where they put Regina mama. So anytime they want call, who they go they call? Now the person where they give them money now they go they call. Why? Because now the person who they patronize more. They won't spend money for film we go sell. I get brother for us when he be like say any film when Mr. Johnson dey, even the film na ye film so far. He go sit down, he go watch at the end. If that film na part 4, he go find part 5, part 6. He go find out the complete part. Buy. So far Mr. Johnson face just inside that film. feel. Now so the thing, now so Mercy Johnson, now so all the producers they go they see say any movie where Mercy Johnson they sell well low. They go begin they call Mercy Johnson, they call Mercy Johnson, they give Mercy Johnson job upon job. As they give her job, now so her career they go. Now so person they reach that level when you bless they go be star where everybody go they see. But the stars that they know say without human being, without us they are nothing. Go sit down there with your cute face. It's not my business. If she like me, it's not my business. You don't even know the kind of try what you don't try for this person life. You don't know say now those are constant 100 naira, 150 way till they buy their movies. They tell they hot their movies, they hot and they made it they blow. If you get free Wi-Fi now, you sit down, you go to watch Regina video, they watch Regina videos. Everybody go to watch Regina videos. If the people that will upload that videos come back, they can say Regina videos they get 2 million views in one particular month. Other people, another person when he be like say he sees sabi art, that one says see sabi art. It's just that una no like that one more. He see sabi art and it comes to say that person 2 months, that person they get maybe 100,000 views. You go see say na Regina video now they go they post, now they go they put because they want me you they wash and now they get their profit. Now they get all the money where they don't spend inside that video from where you like. When they patronize their video, you they actually they help their life. Now for instance now, me, I opened this my YouTube channel just 6 months ago. Many of my friends that when in blast they do other things, their YouTube channel get 500 subscribers. In fact, even YouTube threshold, before you come be partner of YouTube, they go tell you say you get 1,000 subscribers in 1 year because YouTube know say normal channel when it blast say just they grow small. In 1 year time, you suppose don't get 1,000 subscribers for 1 year. Many of my friends the wall of first start, even the ones that when I meet for years before I can't even open my channel, most of them just get 1,000 subscribers. 1,000 subscribers, 1,000 plus, 1,005. In a normal day, this my channel when it blast say be 6 months old, so you're not supposed to get past 2,000 subscribers so far. Even the threshold of 4,000 watch time, I'm not supposed don't get them up till now. The truth that they tell you now so. The truth is that those are thumbs up when you drop for video and your comment when you drop. Even the comment when they tell me say Thunder go fire me self. All the comments self. YouTube go they see. YouTube search engine go see your comment. You go they see say your page they attractive. In a day engaging. People they talk for your page. As your page they engaging, YouTube go they reward you. How YouTube they reward you? They go they push your video. They go they float your video. Any stranger just come for YouTube. It's possible say your video if you just did there for the person to click or not click. And you go see the person who just start YouTube yesterday, don't they get better pay from YouTube? That now support. Even your bad comment safe now support to us. What they try to want to talk we say without now we be nothing. That is we get the name now, but now they add value to the name. That note, if you be my subscriber for this place and you know like my last video when I do about Regina, you know like the way I talk to the girl, maybe I today hash to the girl. Yeah, they're very sorry. But the truth is that I say Regina don't run come up for her husband house with one kind small bombino like that. I no go attack her again because I know say now what she deserve. Now small bombino like her now she deserve. No be man wasting her with good 40 years. So yes, I will wrap up my video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And please, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. Hit that red subscribe button down there and turn on your bell notification so you'll be notified anytime I post a video and you can come and check it out. To hit the like button if you like this video or thumbs down if you don't. I will see you in my next video or you will see me in my next video. For now, I'm out. Bye.